This is Mr. Suraj, and with me, one of my student from the UK-based university. She is also here, and she wanted to give a feedback on my colleagues and how we have worked together. Hello, hi there.
Yeah, hello everyone. Hi.
Uh, so, can you please explain about your feedback about our services?
Yes, I really appreciate first of all to the team that helped me to pursue my dissertation and the work they have done. It's really I am so happy to have it. And what I really like it was how they was consistently and always ask me a questions if I need to any extra time or any extra effort. The first from the beginning to the end, I have never been stressed or felt like I might be fail or I might be like anxious or something like that. So I'm so happy really to work with this team, with Sar and all other and my modules and my writing the theory, and it really I needed two basic two questions or two I mean, like, how can I set up, how can you understand, sir, what I mean? Like, I needed both the modelings Abaqus and writing things. So both I had two tutorials and two tutors, and both was really very, very good. I can't give more than 10 if there's more than 10.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, yeah, and I'm still waiting the feedback, but my supervisor and everyone was happy at the beginning how they started. Yeah.
So, as I remember, you also have put a lot of efforts. You have done some literature review and modeling part on your own, and then you have taken the guidance, how exactly it works, and take some expertise, right?
Yes. Yeah. First, I had the literature reviews. I asked all the steps that I needed to start it, and then the both tutor was doing the theory part and the modeling part at the same time. And every time they was sending me every week, and we had meetings like this every week, every Sunday, to if I need extra or if I need something to check and change. And I sent to my supervisor and they sent it back, and I sent to the team and they check, and if there's something they have corrected. And it was really happy how the process was from the start to the end. Yeah, and even before I had other people, I don't want to say the name, that needed to help me, but at the beginning we didn't even start. So I was so stressed when I came to the team, and they said, "Don't worry, we will help you from the beginning
Yes,
and the end." Yeah, I remember that day. And after 2 weeks, I was like, "Oh, now I feel relaxed and happy."
exactly, exactly. That is true. And we appreciate along with our team efforts, your dedication to learn the things, do it on your own, understand the concept, and wherever you are blocked, you was asking so many doubts. So that is also we appreciate actually. We like as a teacher, we like that actually.
Yeah, I remember the Abacus, the modules. Even before I have some concept on Abacus, but when I was asked a question about how you did this, how you changed the service or something like that, he was told me like I'm the Abacus student, not like someone else. He was telling me everything, that's really was not unnecessary, but he was trying to help me everything that I needed to understand, because this is my work, so I have to understand from the beginning to the end.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's true, dear. And now, thank you for all the feedback and the good words. So, in terms of payment, also we have accepted the payment after the work and in the milestones, right?
Yeah, really. That was the because I'm a student. I don't
Uh,
have. I was worried. How can I pay total amount for one time? So, the sir told me like you don't have to pay one time. So pay every time. So we had schedules like if when this finished, I pay some amount, small amount, and then this now, yeah. So I was really they trust me and I trust them, and that's the important thing nowadays. So no one trusts anyone from online. That's the really is I appreciate that part very well. Yeah.
exactly. That's true. Thank you, dear, for all your feedback and the good words. And I hope you will get a job soon also, and you will excel in your career.
Yes, I hope so. Yeah, thank you and everyone. Thank you and don't doubt. Like this is really if you need any help, you are in good place. So don't hesitate. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good night.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night.